If you find yourself along the Pacific coast, especially during the winter months, you just might hear the sounds of one of nature's most bizarre-sounding animals. Unmistakable belches, coughs, farts, and sneezes ring out along the rookeries of this mammal. The northern elephant seal. They have come here in the thousands from far and wide to give birth to their young. For several months of the year, the beach will echo out with the sounds. They seem random, but communicate the animal's identity and dominance. As spring arrives, the mothers wean their pups and return to the ocean, where they will most likely never see each other again.